Hey guys, Levi for the Rag Company, and today I wanted to introduce you to the newest member of the Rag Company lineup, Gtechniq's W8 V2 Bug Remover. Now, why are we bringing in a bug remover? Well, we all know it's summertime and we all hate bugs. And as best as we've tried to clean bugs off cars, they don't always like to come off. So, W8 to the rescue. This is a pH balanced and biodegradable product, so it's safe for all types of finishes. Basically, you just spray it on, let it dwell, and then come back at it with either our flag tip nylon body brush or utilize one of our super awesome Jersey bug scrubbers. Now, what's great about this product is because it's so safe, because it's so friendly, you literally can just wash the bugs right off once you're done, and then proceed to wash the car, normally with any soap and water and whatever method you want to do, or maybe if you want to do a rinseless wash, you can do that because again, pH balanced and biodegradable. So make sure you make your way over to theragcompany.com and pick up some W8 V2 Bug Remover by Gtechniq. Well, hopefully you found this FAQ helpful, and make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And for more videos, stay tuned right here at the Rag Company FAQ channel. Thanks for watching.